all of you are fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm going to start another new class, and already all of you know me. Yes, I'm Shahnaz Aman, your ICT teacher, and today I'm going to take another new class for class 8. Let's start today's class. Before starting another new class, I want to ask you some lesson from previous class. I know all of you learned the lesson, give attention, but I need to check what have you learned. Are you ready? I think all of you are ready. Let's check what have you learned. Let's start. Students, can you see the board? Here I gave you 5 questions, and I hope you can give the correct answer. See the first question. Question number 1. How many types of hub are there? Can you guess what will be the answer? It is 2 types or 3 types? Yes, I think you know the correct answer. So there is 2 types of hub. You see, one is internet hub or network hub. Another one is, which one? USB hub. I want to show you the USB hub and network hub. You see, this one is USB hub. Can you see? Is it clear? I think you know this one. You are using this one in your home. Yes. And another one is network hub. Is it? I think these 2 are very much familiar to you. Okay. See, for this port actually we are telling them networking hub and USB hub. I think whenever you see this one practically, you can identify separately which one is networking hub, which one is USB hub. Coming second question. See question number 2. From which word router originated? Yes, this is very easy answer. The word router originated from route. And you know, this is very much popular nowadays. We have internet connection nowadays in our home, and we are using router to get internet connection. And router is the device which is the combination of both hardware and software that connect numerous network. See question number 3. What is made up of numerous network? Guess. Yes, the answer is internet. Without internet, you cannot connect each other, and it is worldwide who connect you, your nearest one and dearest one. And through internet, you can pass the information. You can exchange the information, isn't it? Coming next question. It is 4. What is the main job of router? See again, it's very important question. It's important for your test also. What is the main job of router? Yes, it's help to see the path or movement of data or information, that is road. How it is moved, in which way data move from one network to another network. And you know, router send the data like packet, whereas switch and hub send the data part by part. No, router send data like packet, and router observe this one how data are passes. Okay. Now coming the last question. What is the full form of MAC? MAC. What? It is Media Access Control. Can you tell me who use this media access control? Hub or switch? Yes, it is switch. Switch use media access control whenever it exchange the information. And you know, switch can identify each node separately, whereas hub cannot. All of you are clear? Coming next topic of the class. At a glance, check what we learned from today's class, and these are the teaching point of today's class. See, modem, types of modem, working procedure of modem, LAN card and its working procedure. I will discuss all the point part by part. Stay with me, give attention, take your classwork copy and follow me. Let's start, students. So take the definition of modem. Actually, what is modem? See, a modem is a hardware device that converts data from a digital format intended for communication directly between devices with a transmission medium such as telephone line and radio. That means modem is a device which transfers the information, that is your device to network and network to your device directly using some of the medium like telephone line or radio. Okay, so if question comes what is modem, you can write the definition. And now I will show you from where the modem, this word, originated. The word modem originated from modulator and demodulator, that is you can tell modulator. And dem. So clearly we can tell that word mo originated from modulator and dem is demodulator. Clear? Check by the figure that how modem actually works. It is, you can tell the working procedure. First follow the figure, then you will be more clear if you can understand from here. So see here, when any sender send any signal, suppose you are the user, you are sending signal from your computer. So after sending the data or information, it convert into digital signal. And when it come to the modulator, for modulation of the data, it will convert that digital signal into analog signal and through the telephone line. It is the telephone line. I can tell here it is telephone line. Okay, so telephone line, using telephone line it will convert analog signal and it will go the demodulator. You see, when it's passed the same information as analog signal, demodulator will demodulate the signal, analog signal again, and it will convert it again digital signal. And the another side, the receiver will get the signal as digital form or human reliable language. Actually, this is the full working procedure of modem. And now I will show this figure in description part by part. Okay, so follow me and write it in your copy. Students, I have shown you one figure, so based on the figure you can write the description. But before write the description, you will draw the figure. If this type of question come in exam, like how does modem work, write the working procedure of modem, so you will write the steps, but before writing the steps you will draw the figure that I have shown here. So what are the following points? Number 1, sender send digital information to modem. Yes, already you check it that it send the digital signal to the modulator, and after that modem converts digital signal to analog signal. Yes, you also see this one, that wavy portion, it is analog signal and it's go through telephone line. 3 number point, they are telling the same things. These signals transmitted through telephone line. Yes, digital signal convert into analog signal. And actually another thing I have shown you, that is what is the signal of analog and what is the signal of digital. So you saw in the figure this one also. And last point, receiver modem does the opposite conversion, that is it's again convert analog signal into digital signal and send it to the receiver. So overall working procedure is this. I think you do not have any doubt about the working procedure of modem. I think all of you are clear. Now I will show you the types of modem. See the types of modem. Based on the speed, we can classify modem into three types. First one is dial-up. Actually dial-up very previous one, earlier one is dial-up and it's very low in speed, so that it's not popular, and basically we are not using this one now. And after that you see DSL, digital subscriber line, and its speed is more than dial-up and it's popular nowadays. We are using and it's available in the market. And the most latest one is Wi-Fi, and you know the full form of Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Listen, student, give a careful attention in the spelling, because this type of full form will come in exam. Okay, see here, Wi-Fi, what it is? Wireless fidelity. And you know that wireless fidelity is named, so we can tell we are not using any types of wire to get this type of connection. And this one is the most popular nowadays. Another thing I want to tell you, based on the connection, that is based on the device connection, we can tell modem is two types. One is external modem, another one is internal modem. So in our textbook actually they didn't tell anything about the connection. They are talking about only the speed. So based on speed, I have shown you three types of modem. Let's check the uses or advantages of using modem. Why we are actually using modem, and what are the benefits or advantages we are getting from modem. Let's check one more time. Students, see, I think board is clear and you can follow the board. I am giving here some of the advantages, actually why we are using modem, some of the benefits. Obviously there is some advantages. So let's check one more time. It converts digital signal into analog signal. From that figure, can you remember I have shown you how it's convert the digital signal into analog signal and analog signal into digital signal. Number two, not expensive. Yes, it is not expensive. Anyone can purchase and it is available in the market. So you can purchase in less price. Number 3 point, higher transmission speed. That means it can transfer data in high speed. It's not slow. It is data transmission process high, so that it's most popular. 4 number point, portable. Yes, you can keep it in your pocket and easily can carry this one whole day. So that it is popular. Mobility is another most important advantage of modem. I think you got the point and you were clear. Do you have any more question here? I think no. Our next topic is LAN card, and you know the LAN card, we can tell it is a kind of NIC card, but I will tell it later on and you learn it what is NIC. But before that, check what it is. We can tell LAN card is a device that helps to connect two or more computers. That is, if you want to create a network, you have to use LAN card. Without LAN card, you cannot create any network, because it connect and transfer information easily from one node to another. At the same time, we can tell it is interpreter. So I told you that it's a type of NIC. Can you remember what is the full form of NIC? Is network interface card. Can you remember the function of network interface card? Yes, we discussed it in lesson 8. From there we have learned that network interface card collect information from media and transfer to the computer, and alternately it's collect information from computer and transfer to the network. That is the same function we can tell in case of LAN card. their working system, you can tell, or procedure almost same. Students, see the types of LAN card. We can tell there are two types of LAN card. Number one, built-in or internal. That is, which one is built-in, that one is the internal. Don't make it different. And 2 number is external LAN card. So this is the all over types. In the internet you will get more types, or if you go through the Google, they will show you many more types. But basically we can tell, or mainly we can tell, there is 2 types of LAN card. Now I want to show you some of the advantages of the LAN card. Okay, some of the advantages of LAN card. Number 1, communication speed using the internet is high. That means whenever it transferring data, it will use huge number of internet connection, or passing rate of data can be in gigabyte. It will not work in megabyte or kilobyte. Okay, coming to number, highly reliable connection. In case of LAN card, it is more secure than other devices. That is, it will less affected by malware or hacking. Third number point, bulk data can be shared among many users. Bulk of data, that is huge number of data you can use. Like if you make your LAN card Wi-Fi, in case of Wi-Fi connection, you can use all the mobile phone or all the devices you are using in your home instead of one. So that is why we are telling that huge amount of data can be used at the same time. And the last point, portable and convenient. Yes, obviously you can carry this one, that external LAN card, and also it is convenient for all of the people. Student, this is feedback session, and I will check that what you will learn from today's class. I think you can give me question answer. After that, follow the question. Question number 1, what is the role of LAN card? Yes, you were right. It's work as interpreter. Question number 2, from which word modem originated? Can you remember? Yes, I told you that mo, that is modulator, and dem is demodulator. So modulator and demodulator, these two we are telling modem. Then 3 number question, what is the function of demodulator? Yes, demodulator just taking information from network and send it to the computer. Whenever I shown you the function, that is capability, working procedure of modem, you saw there. Can you remember? Then 4 number question, which type of LAN card is much popular? Which one? Why wireless LAN card is much popular nowadays? And the last question, how many types of modem are there? 3 types of modem are there. So you will not mention your name, you just telling that 3, 4, 5, that is 3. Coming 6 number question, which one is low speed modem? We talked about the types of modem. So which modem is in low speed? Yes, dial-up modem. And dial-up modem loses its market because of its low speed. Coming 7 number question, what is the full form of DSL? Digital subscribers line. Remember about spelling. Then 8 number question, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity. In case of fidelity, in Bengali we can tell it is Bishwastota, but in case of science we can tell it is dependency or security, authentication. Okay. Then 9 number, where the built-in LAN card are mostly used. Yes, LAN card is now very much popular in laptop and many computers, and this is now built-in. Once upon a time, we have to purchase, we have to set up LAN card externally, but now you are getting everything is built-in. Obviously there is external connection, but built-in LAN card is much popular. And the 10 number question and last question, how many types of LAN card are there? Think, how many types I told? That is, I told two types. One is internal, another one is external. That is, internal one is, we are telling built-in. Okay, my dear students, and I know you know this answer. I guess, I think you are very much confident about the correct answer, and study carefully in your home so that you can get good marks in MCQ.
And another computer named computer B. If the computer A or B wants to send messages to one another, it requires a medium, which is provided by our telephone cables. For a message from computer A to reach computer B is through a series of connections. That is, from computer A to telephone A, and then to the telephone cables, which will be received by the telephone B, and then to the computer B. But there is a problem in this continuity of this serial connection. And the problem is, once we have typed a message saying, "Hi, how are you?" the computer will convert and send the messages in the form of zeros and ones, which is the only language that the computer knows. That is, the binary language. But the telephone cannot understand the binary language because it sends and receives the messages only through the analog signals. Those analog signals cannot be understood by the computer. So, obviously, what we want is a translator. A black box named modulator, which converts the binary language into analog signals. A part of the problem has been solved. Now the messages can successfully send from a computer to a telephone with the help of the modulator. The telephone sends the messages to another telephone in the form of analog signals. And the next problem lies here. We require another kind of black box to demodulate the analog signals to binary language. A demodulator. Now, the message can be successfully sent from computer A to computer B. But it's just a one-way communication. We cannot get the reply. In order to get the reply, we have to set the whole setup from B to A. A modulator between computer B to telephone B. Analog signals from telephone B to telephone A. A demodulator between telephone A to computer A. As time passes, the modulator and demodulator combine together to form a single box named modem. Now we can send and receive messages, and it became two-way communication. Everything became possible with the help.
Students, this is the time of related question. I have set some of the related question for you. Check the question. Number 1, what is modem? How does modem work? Can you remember? Yes, I have shown you how does modem work. In this question, you will draw the figure and write the steps. Question number 2, describe the types of modem. Yes, here you will describe different types of modem and write the. So here you will describe different types of modem point by point. Coming 3 number question, explain LAN card. So whenever you will explain LAN card, LAN card, explain the types of LAN card, or you can write shortly the types of LAN card. At the same time, you will write their advantages of LAN card, and you will tell the working procedure here. And the last question, what is modem and LAN card? Explain. This question you will write already. You know how to write the modem. All the criteria you will fill up, the definition, working procedure, advantages. You will write in case of modem and LAN card. students, you got RQ related question, and you see this 4-number question is your homework. Check it clearly. What is the question? What is modem and LAN card? Explain. And you know the criteria. I told already that how you will write the answer. Again I am telling you how to write the answer. And whenever you will write the homework in your copy, make it clear. Handwriting should be clear and understandable, and you should follow, because you are the JSC student, you are JSC candidate, so that you have to know how to write the answer. You have to maintain the standard, and how you will write the answer, how you will get a good marks. This concept should be clear from now. If you do not maintain the standard and your copy will not clear, handwriting will not clear, then you will actually minus marking for you. You will not get good marks. So you will be careful when you write the homework. Students, today's class overall we have discussed modem and LAN card. We are getting here advantages. We are learning here what are the working procedure of these two devices. That is, these two devices we are using for creating network, and without this device we never can create the network, and these are very much helpful for using internet. Those who are user, we know how much we are benefited from using these two devices. And as a student, you are also nowadays using the internet. We are totally depends on internet for getting good connection, for getting network connection. We are using these devices, basically modem. And I think you are clear about today's lesson. All of you are very much attentive and take a very good preparation for JSC, and these topics are important for your JSC exam. After that, if you have any problem about today's lesson, you can ask your subject teacher, or you can write in the comment section. So all of you, please take care of you and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.